You can write everything down if you want to. Be brave enough to write every single one of your goals down. But let me tell you something. Life is going to hit you in the mouth. And I need you to do me a huge favor. Your why has to be greater than that knockdown. Let me ask you something. Are you willing to get your teeth kicked out for your dream? That's why many are called, but few are chosen. Because everybody won't get the beat down. Everybody's not willing to face rejection. Everybody won't talk to 4 people and visualize 5,000. Everybody won't take the controversy. Everybody won't take the heat. Everybody won't hold themselves to a higher standard. And listen, as soon as you write your dream down, somebody's about to bust you in your mouth. Whatever that thing is you say you want to do, they're coming at you. And here's the truth. The reason why you do what you do is more critical than what you do. Because if your reasoning is weak, you're not going to get it done. Why? Because life is going to beat you upside your head. Life will strip you down to the core. Once your balls start tripping, you're about to start crying. Once life hits you with a punch or two, you're ready to quit. Phenomenally skilled is cute, but a phenomenal will says, every time I get knocked down, I will get back up. I will succeed. I will not surrender. But if you're weak, you will be broke. And I'm not here because I'm the best. I'm here because they tried to break me and they couldn't. Think about your community. Think about your kids. Think about the obstacles. Think about the problems, the so-called problems in your community. Think about it. Osborne said, in life, you will always be faced with a series of God-ordained opportunities, brilliantly disguised as problems and challenges. We can't judge according to appearances. We must look at the poverty, the despair, the pain, the stress. And in the midst of all that, we see prosperity, we see help, we see peace, we see possibility. I'm telling you to dream your dream because I want you to feel it. I want you to taste it. Just like when the weather is changing, you can feel it, right? I want you to feel when you're getting closer and closer and closer. If you are still alive, there's still room for growth. There's still room for improvement. You can still get bigger. You can still get better. You can still be bolder. There's still room to grow and be better. Get out of your head and into your greatness. You can't stroll to your goals. You keep being casual, you'll end up a casualty. Death is not the greatest tragedy of our time. The greatest tragedy is what dies inside of us while we're still alive. Not trusting your gift is sinful because by God it was put in you. I don't know what you've been through, but trust your heart. It will defend you. You need to use your tongue to validate your gift. Look yourself in the mirror and encourage yourself. Say it out loud. I'm still gifted. I've been through some pain, but I'm still gifted. I've buried some loved ones, but I'm still gifted. I've had some setbacks, but I'm still gifted. Despite the circumstance, you can win. Despite the giants, you can win. Despite the obstacles, you can win. Despite the situation, you can win. Despite how much money you got in your bank account, you can win. You can pull it off. Why do you do what you do? Why is that important, Les? Because when the storms of life come, and they're going to come, when life pounces on you, and that's going to happen, when it catches you on the blind side and drops you to your knees, and that's going to happen, when people don't come through for you, when they don't keep their word, when they don't support you or actively work against you, and when you want to give up, and that's going to happen, your reasons will be your bridge over troubled waters. You've got to know why you're out here, because you're going to get your butt kicked. But you've got to know why you're there, because when life drops you to your knees, your reasons will help you get back up. So what are the reasons? Write down why you're here. Write down 5 compelling reasons why you're going to keep your commitment to change your life. Keep your commitment never to go back to the life you once lived. Keep your commitment to creating wealth for yourself, to taking care of your children, to being more responsible. Keep your commitment to live a life of contribution. Keep your commitment to be a conqueror and act like it, to have authority and dominion over everything in your life. What are those reasons? If life knocks you down, try to land on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up. Your reasons will help you rise again. So what's that thing that's going to pump you up? What's going to get you over that hill, over that mountain? What's going to pump you up and get you past that disease, past bankruptcy, past that crazy credit score you've got, past the other side of the dollar sign? I'm talking about hope. You've got to see it when it cannot be seen. You've got to see it in your mind's eye. You've got to see it happening. See yourself writing the book before the book is finished. See yourself graduating even when the teachers say it's not going to happen. Even when you get the letter saying you're kicked out, that you're on academic probation, that you're dismissed. Oh, you have to believe in the unseen. Because if you can't believe in it, you will never manifest it. But when you believe in it, you demand the universe to assist you. And if you can see it before everybody else sees it, it will eventually come to you.